All right, if you're watching this video, you have a 2018 Ford Expedition or similar that the bottom of the cup holders fell out when you put your cup in it. I'm going to show you how to fix it for free without bringing it to the dealership with just common household tools. The first thing that you'll need is a razor blade, flathead screwdriver, a T20 Torx bit. If you don't know what a Torx bit is, it looks like this. A powered screwdriver, a 10mm wrench with an extension, and a drill set. So first things first, you want to open your glove box, and then I already have this pre-attached so I can show you, but you put your fingers underneath this lip, pull up, put your fingers underneath this lip, pull up, and you'll pop it off and then pull backwards. Pull backwards, it pops off and releases. When you get to this point, you're going to see the cup holder is going to be attached with 6 screws. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Those are T20. And if you pull those out with your handheld or powered screwdriver, then the whole assembly comes out. And you'll have 2 connectors to detach depending on if you have ambient lighting or not. This is one of them. Push on the tab, pull down, it comes out. The second ones are the actual ambient lighting. You just twist these counterclockwise, I believe, and then they pop out. And then you can move on to the next step. Now that you have the cup holder out, you're going to need a 10mm wrench to get these 3 little plastic stoppers off. So you twist them off with your wrench. This is just for demonstration purposes. Pull this module off, set it aside. Now you're going to have the pieces all probably split apart, but this is how it goes together. It's a rubber band that wraps all the way around and then holds these retainers in place. Pretty self-explanatory, but the part I really want to focus on is the plastic little pieces break. So what I did is drilled these out to the appropriate size. I took my razor blade and scraped off the little heads. You'll see little plastic heads where they thermoform or bond that together, and just scrape it off, and then take your flathead screwdriver and then push it through the other side so you have a hole, and then take your drill with the appropriate size drill bit depending on what kind of screws you have at your house and handily or readily available. Do that diameter, drill it out, and then put your screws in. And I only did 8. I think you could do another one right here. As you can see, that's the plastic little head I'm talking about that I scraped off with a razor blade. This one's hard to get at, so I didn't do anything with it. I'm hoping that 8 screws is enough here to hold it on. And then after you have it together, it's pretty solid, and I think the screws are going to hold better than the plastic retainers. I hope this helps. And to install, you just do everything in the reverse process. Put your little pads underneath there, and then install with the 6 T20 screws that retain this back into the center console, and slide the center console back on, and you're good to go. Thanks for watching.